everybody, it's Brandy from B&W Apothecary. We just want to introduce the skincare line and walk through the proper ways to use it and the ingredients that are included in each of the products. So we'll have this video with subsequent videos that go through every single skincare product from the start of your day to the end of your day. And I've got Maddie here to help me to show how it's like on young skin, and then me and my decrepit old age and my skin. So we'll walk through how to use it, what it's going to look like with the skincare underneath makeup, and at the end of the day we take it all off and get ready for bed. So the first items we're going to go through are the 2 face washes. So we offer a tea tree gel cleanser. So for those of you suffering with different skin issues, especially those younger generations, the tea tree gel can help with that. And just to show you how it's listed on our labels here, I'm going to read the ingredients. So it's based in the liquid castile soap. It's got salt water in it to actually get it to gel, the tea tree essential oil, and then a liquid emulsifier just to kind of hold it all together in that gel form. So that just goes directly on the face and then it gets rinsed off. There is a batch number on here because we care about our customers, and if something were to go wrong, you would contact us, give us the batch number, and that way we can let other customers know if something went wrong. In the 10 years we've been in business, we've only ever had to do that once, and it was early on in our formulating. So if you ever do have an issue, please understand that we are well aware of everything that goes into that bottle. So the cranberry cream cleanser, this is also great if you want a really nice, gentle clean. Again, just like the other one, it's going to take all your makeup off and clean the skin. It contains aloe vera, the liquid castile, the emulsifying wax to hold it all together, a little bit of cranberry fiber to give it that color, and a little bit of benefit from the cranberry. And that you can just put on your skin as well, and then rinse it off to get ready for the day. So first thing in the morning, usually what we do is we cleanse our skin. So we're gonna put a little bit of this on right now. And then we're gonna rinse it off camera just because it's kind of weird and hard to do that on camera. And you usually don't need that much, right? So that's all I put in my hand. And then I rub it all over my skin. Now, why am I doing this in the morning? So I'm doing this in the morning because I put skincare on at night. Generally, the skincare you're putting on at night has different things like the niacinamides, retinols that can make your skin sensitive to the sun. So we don't really want a lot of those left on our skin or to interact with the daily skincare and makeup that we're going to put on our face. So we're going to clean our face, get everything that we put on for nighttime skincare off. Now, you can see I just rubbed all this on my skin with absolutely no water, so it's not going to suds up because there's no water. Same thing with Maddie. But if you add water, it's going to suds up a little bit. So now we're going to go rinse this off, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we've rinsed both of our different cleansers off. Maddie used the tea tree, I used the cranberry cream. So now the next step is the toner. Now, if you ever are not sure which order to do your skincare in, each of the products has a number on it so that you can remember which order it is. So the cleanser obviously is used at the beginning of the day, the end of the day. So it has SR, that stands for skin routine, a number 1 because it's the very first thing you're going to do at both ends, and it has a B and E. B for beginning, E for end. Now we do beginning and end because everyone's shift is different throughout the day. If you work a swing shift, the beginning of your day might be at night, right? So we just want to make sure that you're applying the skincare at the proper time of your day. So the toner is next. So with the toner, what's in this one is witch hazel, rose hydrosol or rose water, periwinkle extract, and rhubarb extract to make sure that we're getting the skin again nice and clean. And the most important part is resetting the pH for our skin. So naturally our skin should be slightly acidic to keep all the cells properly hydrated, moisturized, and regeneration happening. So generally soaps tend to be on the more alkaline level. Our soaps are pH balanced, more at the acidic level for the skin. However, if you're using a different soap and we don't know what the pH of your water is, that can kind of throw that a little out of balance. So rose water can reset that pH. So generally you can just spray it on a cotton ball and wipe your face with it. This will also help if for some reason you missed a spot or you need a little more cleansing to get the rest of that cleansing product or anything left on your skin off. You gently rub this around your entire face. It also helps clean the rest of those pores out and resets that pH. Before we start applying all of our leave-on skincare. Now, once you're done wiping this off, so you'll see mine is actually pretty clean. My cleanser did pretty well. So there's just a little bit of color from the actual, how'd you do? She didn't do too bad either. She had just a little bit there. There's a little color from the rose water. So because of the extracts that we use, the rose water is a slightly like light yellow in color look. All right, so now we're done with our toner. Our skincare routine card here. We send one with every skincare order. The next thing we're gonna do is serum. So the serum for the daytime is the vitamin C serum. So there we go. And it contains aloe vera, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E and ferulic acid. So the ferulic acid is in there to help preserve the vitamin C, so that way it doesn't break down too quickly. So what you're gonna do with any of your serums, because we do base them in hyaluronic acid, and we don't wanna put too many extra ingredients in there that are unnecessary, we're gonna shake it a little bit just to make sure it's dispersed appropriately. This one is a little thinner, so we're gonna put it in our hand. You do not need very much. Okay, so it's a little thinner. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm just gonna kind of pat it between my hands, and I'm just gonna pat it onto my skin. And I'm gonna press it into my skin. So the vitamin C is just gonna help, the vitamin C serum is gonna help hydrate the skin because the hyaluronic acid and the aloe, the vitamin C is gonna help with that brightening. And because of the vitamin C, of course, every rule with skincare during the daytime, if you're out in the sun, you're always gonna wanna wear sunscreen. So just make sure, especially when you need vitamin C, you are always using sunscreen. So the next thing, we are going to use our eye cream. So this is our eye cream here, and it comes in a wand. We wanna make sure that you don't press it in too hard with your fingers. So instead we provided a wand, just a nice little dough tip, and you can actually brush it on. So there's actually quite a bit in our eye cream. It is slightly caffeinated. So we have aloe vera, sea buckthorn extract, evening primrose oil, emulsifying wax to hold it all together, some kojic acid to help with any of the dark coloring, some matcha green tea extract, that's where your caffeine comes in, some marine collagen, and some preservatives. So regardless of what age you are, you should probably be using eye cream. So all we're going to do is, hopefully I don't poke myself in the eye since I can't see, is gently rub this on, right? And I always make sure to get out here to my little crow's feet, which Madison won't have to worry about. It only usually takes, I usually don't even reinsert it into the tube. You do not need a lot. I'm gonna try to want me to do it for you so don't poke yourself in the eye.
I can't see.
And then if you want to, you can maybe use your pinky, a finger that you're not going to use a lot of pressure for, and finish rubbing that in. But as we put on the rest of our skincare, you're going to probably continue to rub it in. Or you can pat, because you do not want to continue to pull on that sensitive, delicate skin under your eyes. All right, now for the daytime, the next step we're going to do is, even if you're not wearing makeup, the hydration primer is going to be great for making sure your skin is super, super hydrated. So a lot of people make the mistake of only applying oils, and that's really popular right now. Oil holds in hydration. If you do not hydrate your skin with something that is water-based, it does not mean it's made of water, it simply means it's water-soluble, and then put the oil on top of it to hold it in, you're still going to end up with dry skin. The oil simply covers up the dry skin. So make sure you're hydrating your skin. So our hydration primer is made of glycerin, aloe vera, a little bit of emulsifying wax to hold it all together. It's got grapefruit essential oil, evening primrose oil, orchid extracts, green tea extracts, and the sea buckthorn extract. So lots of plant-based extracts to hydrate your skin. So this, of course, is not going to take a lot either. I usually only use one pump. It is entirely up to you how much you'd like to use. I always concentrate, the first place I put this on my skin is wherever I have deep lines. So usually in between my eyebrows and right my laugh lines, right? Those are what's deep for me. So I start there and then I continue to spread. That one pump is literally going to cover my entire face. If your skin is extra dry and you feel that you need more, use more. Entirely up to you. Just make sure you gently rub in all of the product. Now, there are things on the market you can use, like those little rollers, little jade rollers, little metal balls, things like that, to rub things into your skin. That's fine. You can even purchase those things at the almost a dollar store, things like that. So use your fingers, get tools, totally up to you. So I have the hydration primer in. Do you have it in? Okay. All right, so we have done the cleanser, the toner, the serum, the eye cream. Now it is time for the moisturizer. So we do a day cream. The day cream has different extracts. So our bases are the same. So both our day and night cream have the aloe vera, the jojoba oil, red raspberry seed oil, glycerin, emulsifying wax to hold it all together, collagen, hyaluronic acid. Where they differ is the extracts. So the day cream has blueberry extract and the grapefruit extract in it. And again, you're only really going to need to use about 1 pump. So this is a new bottle. Okay, so there's that 1 pump. These are airless bottles, which means there is no tube in there. You are literally going to get every bit of this product because a tiny little disc at the bottom, as the pressure moves from you pumping it, is going to push it up. So you're going to see it disappear in the bottle like this one. We'll use 1 pump, spread that around, and make sure that you rub it in. Again, we're doing some gentle motions. I tend to try, though sometimes I fail. It's okay to use the latter fingers of your hand because you tend not to press so hard. I try to remember to get some of my neck. Now, a lot of these products have ingredients that have some properties that can protect your skin from the sun. However, I do highly recommend also purchasing a sunscreen that's specific for the face, to use that on top of this moisturizer and all of these other skincare, and then your makeup. So that's what we are going to go do right now. We are going to go just like our skincare routine card says, and we are going to go apply sunscreen and then makeup. And then we'll show you what the makeup looks like on top of the skincare. And then we'll take a break for the rest of the day before we come back and share with you how to take it all off and use the nighttime routine to include the mask. We both have makeup on. You're usually not going to see us around with full makeup. We're talking foundation, contouring, all the 9 yards. So we are not makeup artists by any means. Don't like my makeup, don't care. I don't wear it that often. So we just wanted to show you what putting the makeup on top of the skincare would look like. So I don't show you the makeup brand simply because everyone uses their own makeup brand. I'm not necessarily going to advocate for a specific makeup brand. I have tried drugstore brands. I've tried just ordering certain things offline. To me, it's a skincare underneath that's going to matter, regardless of the money you spend on the foundation. So, Maddie, you want to show them a little bit of a close-up of yours? There we go. She likes all the beautiful bright colors.